Mr. Bombastic, Bomba Fanta.
You're saying I was going 75? No, sir. I don't even go that slow in a school zone. I was kidding! It's a TikTok!
You look at this minion car. It's a minion car. Banana. It's a yellow.
Breathe in. A wise man once said, the highest form of wealth is the ability to wake up and say, I can do whatever I want today. I'm going to tell you how you can manifest that reality. As soon as you wake up every single morning, I want you to relax. Don't grab your phone. Don't move. Close your eyes and visualize your life. Visualize your day